beautiful Mount Field National Park today. We stayed the last 2 days just editing and hanging out, resting.
Yeah.
We're doing the Three Falls circuit today. There's a couple other long hikes you can do, 6 hours and upwards.
They sound like they're alpine hikes, right? So they've got a bit of elevation to them.
Yeah, alpine hikes. I believe that people ski and snowboard here in the winter. So up top there's some snow. No snow down here right now.
Thank God.
The Three Falls circuit, it's 2.5 hours, 6 Ks. Should be pretty easy. It's grade 3.
It's really beautiful so far. We've only been walking 10 minutes and there's moss everywhere.
Yeah, it's very, very lush, very green. And there's a lot of big trees here as well in Mount Field, so.
Yeah, and so far pretty easy.
Yeah, very flat. But this is the most, non-advanced one. You can even do some of the falls and then just turn around.
Yeah, and there's a wheelchair accessible route as well.
To Russell Falls.
Yeah.
Let's get into it.
Said it's so much more lush. I think because it's been pouring down rain the last 2 nights.
Yeah, it has.
So everything's so juicy.
Juicy.
We're coming to the end of the trail now.
At the end.
We see infrastructure, which is always a good sign. So we started off the walk at 10 to 10 and it's 1:32 now. So
10.
about as long, well it said what, 2.5, 3 hours?
It said 2.5, so.
Yeah. So we stopped a few times to get photos and videos.
Yes, a lot of photos and a lot of videos.
But we sort of realised that maybe it might be easier on the legs to do it anti-clockwise because that last little bit has a whole heap of stairs.
Yeah, the last bit's just stairs. One way is really gradual. By the visitor center, it starts really gradual.
Doing it clockwise.
And then if you go the other way, it's just a pretty steep stair, so you get all the vertical
elevation done in one go. No, it was a really cool walk. It was awesome. So much moss.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I love moss.
No, it's really good. Okay, so this trail ends right next to the campsite.
Yeah.
So that's the campsite down here, and you go up there to start the hike.
Oh, the smell of the forest was so nice.
Yeah, it's pretty fresh in there.
Yeah.
But yeah, they've got fern trees, huge trees.
Oh my god, the eucalypts
Huge
were
eucalypt.
massive. Like, we used that measuring thing, and it said it was like 70 meters. And I don't even think that was the tallest one. Like, there was way taller ones as we were walking through there, so that was really cool.
Yeah.
Was it the first falls we went to, Barron Falls?
Yeah, Russell
Falls.
yeah.
I think that one was my favourite.
Yeah, so yeah, if you come and you only want to do 30-minute walk or something, do Russell Falls for
Yeah.
sure.
And morning's good too, because you catch like the early morning sun and
Yeah,
the mist. It was
pretty great.
Yeah, really good.
Oh wow. Is that a cherry? Must be a big type of cherry.
I want to get a really red one.
Rain takes out here.
What are these? These are cherries. Oh, everything in my pockets.
Get out of the rain. Good. To the shelter. Yeah.
Where's my stash? Oh, cherries. I got cherries. I got lots of cherries. Oh, that's a quickies. Wow. That's pretty cool.
Hey, didn't see you there. So we just left Richmond to check out that bridge there. It's a cool,
Bridge.
yeah, cool little town.
Yeah, it's a historic town.
Yeah.
Probably do some more research on it before we go places, but
No, it's the fun of it all.
and fun fact, Richmond is the town that I grew up in, only not this Richmond, New South Wales. So.
And
In classic Tasmanian spirit, it's raining.
yeah, it was sunny and we were taking photos of the bridge, and next thing you know, it's raining and Kate's climbing a cherry tree.
I got a lot of cherries though, so
But we are heading to our campsite for the night. Well, I think it's more of a car park than a campsite, but we're gonna find out. Anyway, we'll see you soon.
see you soon. Good morning. So this morning we've come to Oatlands.
Yep.
It's this cute little town, middle of Tassie almost.
Yeah, about the middle.
And it was recommended by Driving with Sony, so thanks for the tip. But I love these cute little towns.
Yeah, Kate loves these towns.
They're so cute.
I think she'd want one for her home one day.
But we've come to check out
Callington Mill
Callington Mill Distillery. It's got a cute little mill and some old infrastructure and pretty much exactly how I want my house to be. So, take note of that, Gary.
Gardens and everything.
Yeah. So we're just gonna have a look around, do a little exploring, and then see what happens next.
We'll show you around.
because only women were capable of patience. Thank you. Okay, let's go have a look.
So we have run out of space on our SD cards. So we're doing this whole little bit with our phones. I think I've put about 7 berries in the basket and ate around 40.
Yeah.
So I'm pretty good. Just been snacking.
I don't think I've eaten so many blueberries in my life.
Yeah.
No, not blueberries.
Blackberries.
Blackberries.
Blackberries. Strawberries were good. They are a raspberry farm, but they have no raspberries right now. So that's a bit of a letdown. Oh,
Yes, they do.
Kate's found one.
Found one. What?
Yep. So that's about our life.
They do. Oh, that one's too bad. Yum.
Huh?
We're live.
We're live.
We always start with so.
Well, you can cut it out.
Yeah.
Up the stairs now.
There's always
Up the stairs.
no good deed goes unpunished.
Well, miss, I guess I'll be on my way